Turbo Machinery Services. Petro Consult has partnerships in place with leading independent, technically advanced and innovative service and maintenance providers for all types of rotating, mechanical and electromechanical equipment. Together, we provide a full range of maintenance and overhaul services, upgrades, reengineering and spare parts from a global range of locations and customer sites. New parts manufacture. We can supply OEM equivalent parts interchangeable with several General Electric and Siemens gas and steam turbines and compressors, using the following manufacturing process: 3D measuring and scanning, reverse engineering, machining/milling, laser welding, final inspection, assembly. 2. Component repair. We can also provide field service and old component repair services with OEM equivalent warranty using the following process: receiving old parts, laboratory analysis, degreasing, grit blasting, inspection/measurements, welding, brazing, profiling, heat treatment, coating, weight charting, final inspection. As a result, we were more than capable of supplying spare parts for a General Electric PGT-10 turbine. These parts were manufactured by Sulzer Turbo Services Holland and delivered to Rashid Petroleum Company, Rash Petco, in a very short delivery time, with a warranty period of 8,000 equivalent operating hours. Our success story with Rashid Petroleum didn't stop there, as we also provided field service for an Alstom generator.